Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the KOORUI new 22-inch computer monitor FHD, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You know what's really getting old? The ones that promise the world but deliver nothing but a mediocre gaming experience. But what if I told you there's a monitor out there that's about to change the game? One that's been touted as one of the best on Amazon, with an insane 4.5 star rating and over 15,000 reviews. Yeah, I'm talking about the KOORUI new 22-inch computer monitor FHD. If you're anything like me, you've spent hours scouring online forums for the perfect gaming setup, trying to find that elusive sweet spot where every frame is smooth, every color is rich, and every detail is crystal clear. Well, my friend, it looks like your search is finally over. This monitor is designed specifically for gamers who demand nothing but the best from their hardware. With its 22-inch Full HD display, you'll get a viewing experience that's both immersive and detailed, perfect for FPS, TPS, or action games where every second counts. And with its 120Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync technology, you can say goodbye to screen tearing, stuttering, and lag once and for all. But it's not just about the speed, it's also about the visuals. This monitor boasts an incredible 4000:1 contrast ratio, which means deeper blacks, higher brightness contrast, and better detail than even the most advanced TN and IPS monitors out there. That's right, folks, you'll be able to see every nuance of every game in stunning clarity. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this monitor worth the hype? Well, let me tell you, it's definitely worth a closer look. But like any purchase, it's all about how well it fits your needs and budget. So if you're looking for a top-notch gaming monitor that won't break the bank, keep reading. So, what makes this monitor so special? For starters, its connectivity options are pretty sweet. It's got HDMI and VGA input, which should be enough for most of us. Just be sure to check compatibility before buying, as it only comes with an HDMI cable, no DisplayPort adapter included. And while it's not the biggest screen on the market, at 22 inches, it's big enough to make a difference. Another feature that really caught my eye is its TV Rhineland certification for low blue light and flicker-free technology. This means you can spend hours gaming without worrying about your eyes getting tired or strained, perfect for those marathon gaming sessions. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning the stand. And let me tell you, this monitor's adjustable stand is a real game changer. With tilt adjustment from -5 degrees to 15 degrees, you can position it just right for your viewing comfort, and with its Visa mount support, you can even attach it to the wall if you want. But what do customers actually think of this monitor? I dug into reviews across Amazon, and while some have mentioned that the cables could be included or that the stand feels a bit flimsy at times, overall, it's been a resounding success. People rave about how vibrant the colors are, how smooth the gameplay is, and just how comfortable the display is, especially for long gaming sessions. So, what's my verdict? Is this monitor worth buying? In short, yes. If you're looking for a reliable, top-notch gaming monitor that won't break the bank, I highly recommend giving the KOORUI new 22-inch computer monitor FHD a try. Just be sure to check compatibility and read reviews before making your final decision. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.